In this video, we're going to talk about a credit union that banks don't want you to find. What if you could get approved for a $20,000 Visa Platinum card, a $25,000 personal loan, or even a $25,000 life loan, all from a 90-year-old credit union with rates that'll make you want to listen to the end?
And what if I told you it's easier to join than what you think? With rates starting as low as 6.99% for a personal loan. This isn't a fantasy, money magnets. This is Wheelhouse Credit Union. And today we're going to be revealing every product, every rate, and exactly how to join this credit union. If you are a person building your credit or a business owner, this is a credit union you might want to pay attention to. To get the best rates, you need a 700 credit score. But what is your credit score? Like and share this video. Stop making mistakes and getting no approvals or even denied for money that can help you.
Yep, if you're tired of banks treating you like a number and charging you sky-high rates, you're in the right place, guys.
Okay, comment below if you're tired of your bank or credit union. What is your biggest challenge getting approved for credit cards or loans? We read every single comment and we want you to share your experience.
And stick around to the end. We're going to give you a free business strategy call if you look in the link in the description below and a pinned comment so you don't miss out. And guys, remember, anyone can join this credit union.
Okay, Marvin. Wheelhouse Credit Union has been serving San Diego since 1934. That's 9 decades of putting members first, even through the Great Depression and through all of the recessions.
Unlike banks, Wheelhouse is not for profit. That means better rates and lower fees because you're the owner, not some Wall Street investor. And guess what, guys? They have great customer service.
If you believe credit unions are the future, type credit union in the comments.
And look, you can join Wheelhouse through the American Consumer Council. So take your time, guys. Type in consumer when you go to the American Consumer Council, and that way you don't have to pay. Joining Wheelhouse is way easier than most people think. If you live, work, or worship, or go to school in San Diego, that means you're eligible.
Okay, now, all you need is 2 forms of ID, proof of address, and just $5 to open the account. The application takes about 15 minutes online. No crazy hoops, no perfect credit required.
Yep. If you want a step-by-step video on joining, let us know in the comments. But we know most of you guys have joined credit unions before. So like I said, look at the American Consumer Council. Go ahead and join it online. Everything is super simple. It's not very complicated.
Okay, y'all, let's dive into these credit cards that go up to $20,000. Let's talk about the Visa Platinum card. Limits go all the way up to $20,000. Rates start at 9.9%. There's no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees. And y'all know how I feel about having a card in your wallet where you don't have to pay annual fees.
And compared to most banks charging 18 to 29% APR, plus every purchase earns you reward points for cashback, travel, or merchandise. And guys, we're telling you about these high limits, not just so you can go out and charge stuff, but because you can start a side hustle. You may be able to start a business and get that business off the ground without going in a lot of debt. So we want to show you these high limit credit unions to help you get going.
And yes, they pull Equifax for all of their personal products.
Yeah.
So you're building credit with every swipe. So you want to look at this credit union because there's not a lot out there that pulls Equifax money.
Yeah, because most banks look at TransUnion or either Experian or a combination of those two. And if you're tired of high interest rate credit cards, comment low rates below. The Feds just dropped the rates as well this week. So with these low rates, guys, and if you can get some cards at 0% like in our other videos, you want to start off with 0% for 12 months. And if you have to, you can go over to a credit union like this and you may get 6.99 or 9.99%, which is not bad at all.
But you need fast cash for big projects or you have an emergency. Wheelhouse offers personal loans up to $25,000 and the rate starts at 6.99%, Marvin. That's a cash flow changer.
And you know what? That's less than half of what most banks charge. Use it for debt payoff home upgrades, or even to launch a business. And think about it, guys. It's not what you make, it's what you keep. So if you guys are looking to save money, this might be a good actual credit union to consider.
And one thing that I love, the terms stretch from 12 months to 60 months.
Right.
So you can pick a payment that fits your budget, and you don't have to worry about, is this too high, because I can pay it off sooner. I can stretch it out all the way to 60 months.
Yeah, and loans could help you consolidate those credit cards. So instead of having 5 or 6 payments, you got just one. And guys, remember, the application is quick. You'll get a decision fast. If this could help you, drop the word funding in the comments below. Let us know that this is what you guys really want to hear. And if you got a credit union that you've been looking at and you want us to do a review, let us know in the comments, guys.
Okay. Let me give you guys a hidden gem, okay? The Wheelhouse Life Loan. You can borrow up to $25,000 for medical bills, moving expenses, education, or any life, anything that has happened to you in life that you need money for, okay? Right. The rates start at 7.99% with flexible terms, no judgments, just solutions. They're willing to help you, money magnets.
Yeah, and if you're drowning in credit card debt, Wheelhouse offers debt consolidation loans up to $20,000. Rates start at 8.99% APR. You can combine all your debts in one easy payment at a lower rate, and this could save you thousands of dollars in interest, guys.
This is amazing, Marvin, because we get so many of our clients needing to consolidate some of their debt. Good credit, but overutilized.
Yeah, we see that a lot. Guys, don't feel bad if you're over leveraged. Just figure out a solution.
Let's jump into the lines of credit, okay? So the lines of credit are perfect for business owners or anyone who needs flexible access to funds. You may not need it all right now, but you want it there. So if you have a project or something you need to use it for, it's already there for you.
Right.
So you borrow what you need when you need it. Only pay interest on what you use. Rates are lower than most credit cards.
Yeah.
And it's great for managing cash flow or handle emergencies.
Yep, and Wheelhouse has auto loans with rates as low as 4.99% APR, new or used.
You talking my talk, Marvin.
Motorcycle loans rates that start at 5.99 APR with up to 100% financing.
Let's not forget, San Diego is beautiful, Marvin.
Yeah.
The sunshine, amazing. Their solar loans are a cash flow changer. Competitive rates, they help you save on energy, and they add a lot of value to your home.
Yeah, and a lot of lenders are starting to do those solar loans. So like you said, in San Diego, you may need something like that. And if you're considering solar, comment Go Solar below, because we got some other lenders that do that as well.
Okay, so homeowners, listen up. Wheelhouse offers home equity loans as well and lines of credit at rates that are way below most credit cards, okay?
Yeah.
You can use your equity for renovations, debt consolidations, or big purchases. If you're buying or refinancing, their mortgage team is local and personable. So there's no call centers that you need to go to. It's all locally done.
Yep, and look guys, for the best results, make sure your score is over 700 on Equifax and you have less than 3 inquiries in the last 6 months, and make sure your check systems is clean, because we've been seeing a lot of people get denied because they had more than 3 inquiries on check systems in the last 6 months. You don't want something very small to get you denied. And remember, remove your fraud alerts and remove your freezes before applying.
Okay, hold up, because I have a gem.
What you got, Glove?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking for a credit union that pulls Equifax and gives high approvals, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.